Hello there, my friends. So here's something about front loader washing machines. This gasket here, there's a lip, and you want to get a towel in here after every wash and get the moisture out of that lip. I just went from a top loader to a, make sure you get up top here too, to a front loader, and I was warned by numerous people about mold that will form on this gasket. Get really nasty. So we've had this now for 2 weeks, and after every wash I do this. It's much better. And then I'll do the door, because the water hits the window of the door, and that. That's nice, keeps it nice and clean. Oh, by the way, this is where your serial number is if you ever need that. And then I'll leave the door open, and I also do this tray. So, yeah, this tray right here. See all this moisture in here? You don't want that laying around either, so I'll wipe that out too. Oh, look, that comes off. I didn't know that. Either that or I just broke my brand new washing machine. Oh, did I say dishwasher? I think I might have said dishwasher. I'm silly. Anyway, if this is of any value to you, go ahead and smash like. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. See right here too. Down here, there'll be drops down here too, so you want to get those. And then this will just dry out in an hour or two if you get the big drops out. All right. So if that comes off, I guess just snap that on. Hope you have a great day. So far I'm enjoying this LG washing machine. They're doing great. Uses very little water, and it really cycles these things dry. Anyway, that's enough. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Comments below if you need.